My Moments with Mom.
Hello, everybody.
It looks like I dropped spaghetti sauce on my chin. Why does it look so red?
Because it's cold outside.
This lighting's horrible,
Here, just
you guys.
go like this. Right there.
Okay.
Wait, right? Yeah, right
that's
there.
better.
All right, you guys.
Oh.
We are in the parking lot of like a little shopping center. We are gonna go to Creme and Sugar. They are known for their colorful desserts and drinks, and most importantly, their unicorn like shake or something. I don't even know.
Jerry ran in to get a table in case they're crowded. We have the same clothes on. If you guys watched our
Burrito La Palma video.
Right, because we came here after we ate there.
Yes.
So anyway, so we can't wait to go try this, you guys. The desserts look amazing.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
We're
So we're really
excited.
excited. It's gonna be fun. Everything looks pretty, so let's hope it tastes pretty too.
I think it's gonna taste good. Okay, we'll see you in there.
Here we go.
You know what you can't do
Oh my gosh, all right, this is one of the things we got, you guys. It is a circus animal cookie cake. It looks so good. It's really cute. It has rainbow sprinkles. There's an animal circuit. Oh my god, I'm saying it backwards every time. A circus animal cookie on it. Okay, and it's supposed to be like shortbread flavored, like a cookie, like a.
No, it's supposed to taste just like the circus animal.
Okay, I don't know. I thought she just said like shortbread. No, you go ahead.
This cake is so delicious, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's light as air. That's what it is.
Cuts, I mean, like extra smoothly. It doesn't even taste like cake. It's like, oh my gosh. I wonder how they make that.
Jake's not with us, you guys, so I think we're going to take him a piece of a different slice of cake.
That was so good.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this is what Dad Flicker got right here. It's their Cookie Monster hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, it has marshmallows on it, Oreos, like pieces and pieces of like chocolate chip cookie. Oh my gosh. Okay, so he's gonna try it and we'll see what the verdict is.
Okay, hon, go ahead. Oh, it's falling off.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
What is your, is it really sweet?
Well, everything tastes sweet now because I have the cake. It's very good.
Is it good? What does it taste like? Like chocolate? Like hot chocolate?
It's a different taste. I can't even describe it. You have to
Well,
try
it was weird. It said it was cookie dough hot chocolate.
Yeah.
So that's the weird thing. I don't know.
You have to try it. I can't place the taste.
Okay.
It's a different taste.
It's a different taste.
It reminds me of something.
It does taste like it, right, like they tried to make it taste like cookie dough.
I like it though.
It's not too sweet.
It almost tastes like red velvet, like how you get that red velvet from
the hot
coffee
chocolate
beans.
itself isn't too
I like
sweet,
that.
you guys.
I like it.
Yeah, it's very good. I'm gonna try a piece of the cookie down here.
I like it though. It's good.
But man, you guys, of course everything's sweet. We'll need another burrito after this.
Oh, that's true.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no. You guys, look at these.
So cute, you guys.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
It's so pretty, you guys.
It has a unicorn horn, which is like, you know, one of those lollipop stick things. There's a sour candy belt, a candy bracelet, charm bracelet. There's like pink sprinkles and confetti sprinkles and marshmallows and whipped cream.
Oh my gosh. And a cute straw. I did get an extra straw, but it's just plain black. And this is the, and it's a shake. This one's a shake. I think we said that, you guys. So let's
Cotton candy and vanilla flavored.
Oh, I'm already sweeted out.
I know.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? Wow. You know, surprisingly, it's not that bad.
No, it's not that too sweet. It's very vanilla-y, you guys.
But no, there's a lot of cotton candy too, though.
No, yes, I can taste a lot of cotton candy flavor.
But it's really smooth.
It's
like really like thick.
It's not, but it's not like overly sweet drink.
Yeah.
So it's really good.
Which I thought it was gonna
Maybe
be.
that's why they do that on purpose. It's like the hot chocolate. We'll let Dad try it.
Ooh, that
you like-
totally tastes like cotton candy.
Yeah, I thought so too.
So good.
It does. It tastes like cotton candy. These are so cute, you guys.
Do you like that better?
I'd want to get all of them.
Well, you know, they're both good, but they're both flavors that I can't drink a whole lot of
Right. Because they're unique.
because they're too unique.
Yeah. I think it's pretty good though.
Definitely, though, you guys, shareable. I mean, because, you know, it's so sweet and stuff. So, yeah, so definitely shareable.
And I think it said you could get a 16 ounce instead of a 24 for $1 less, but I would just get the big one. It was just $1.
For $1.
Yeah, for $1.
And especially, we figured Dad would want to have some too, because he got the hot chocolate. So he likes shakes, so we got the bigger one. So
I have to say the cake was my favorite.
yes, yeah, I think so too.
Those are fun, but I enjoyed the cake the most.
Right. Like you could eat more of that than like
If we take one for Jake, what do we take?
the cookie butter one.
The cookie butter, Jaclyn said.
All right, you guys, we gave in and got 2 more slices of cake to take home, even though we just complained about it being sweet. This one's all chocolate. It's chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. And then we got my brother one. This one I really want to try. Maybe he'll let me try it. It's cookie butter or cookie something. Is it cookie butter, she said?
Cookie butter.
Yeah, cookie butter cake.
Cookie butter from Trader Joe's.
Ooh, it is. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Everything was a little bit too sweet, you guys.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Well, except the cake. That was okay to be real sweet, you know, because it's like, oh,
Yeah, the cake was good, you guys. You know, the drink, I feel I could drink a little bit of it.
Ooh, yeah.
But there's no way I could drink like a whole shake like myself.
Ooh, not at all. Me
Yeah,
neither.
No. And they also have like coffee, you guys. They have coffee drinks and they have tea, hot tea. But like Jerry was saying, next time he'd probably rather do a hot chocolate, not a white hot chocolate, because he didn't like the flavor too well on the flavor that he got. So you could be in it more heavy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I think next time Jerry said he would rather just get a brown original hot cocoa, which we saw one that looked really good. Jaclyn put it in a
Yeah, it
picture.
was called the
It's
Willy
not that good.
Wonka.
Hot cocoa. Jaclyn will put a picture in. We just ran up there and tried to get a picture of the one Jerry wants.
Wow, that one looked good. It had like a real big gummy
But
bear
this
in
one, you
it.
guys, you could see there's still half of it left. There's a little, well, because you know, it wasn't that sweet, but once the marshmallows and everything kind of floated down, then you're sucking up the candy sprinkles and
Yeah.
stuff. But I would still say, you guys, for sure, come and try it, because it is a fun thing to
Oh, for
come
sure.
and do.
You get good photos, good
info.
good Instagram pics.
Yeah. And definitely share a shake, for sure.
Right.
And so yeah, we'll be back. We'll try something.
Oh,
But
yeah.
like Jaclyn told Jerry, she's like, I think I need like a tortilla on the way home.
I know, like something savory. I need like butter and something else.
Are you guys like that? Like after you have
Salt?
something sweet, then I need something savory. So before bed tonight, I have to.
Well, I'm sure I'll have a snack
Yeah, I have
later.
to
Yeah.
eat something savory to absorb all the sugar and
Right.
stuff that can out.
Yeah.
That's yours too.
Oh, thank you so much.
You guys, so funny.
These are really good.
So we wrote to Jake and we said, hey, do you want anything to eat? There's a Mexican place
my
right
brother.
next door to the Cream and Sugar. So Jake got a quesadilla, and as we're standing there, we saw her taking baskets of chips to people. We said, oh, let's get some chips. So we got some chips, you guys. Look at this beauty.
They're all strips.
And it's working. It's soaking up the sugar.
Man, those are good.
I know.
Wow, it's like $1 for like a little bag.
These are really good chips, you guys. Yeah.
Really good. So anyways, you guys, Cream and Sugar was so fun. Glad we went. The cake, I think, was all of our favorites. And they have a lot of
Yes.
different flavors. So next time we go, we could try more. We did get those other 2 flavors, though.
But we won't be
So-
trying them tonight, you guys.
I know. Oh.
I might go into a sugar coma.
Yeah, I'm
So-
sure they're as delicious as
Yes.
the other one we had.
Yes, we'll try to let you know in a different video how these other flavors were, you guys. But anyway, it did get really crowded in sugar and cream. I think the later it gets, I think it's more of a hot spot like later.
Yeah.
So anyway, so try it, you guys. It's really fun though.
Yeah, it's really fun. Definitely just to get a drink like even just one time is like fun because
Right.
it's fun to get.
Right.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
I still have some chip in my mouth.
You could hear Dad crunch it up in the front.
Oh yeah, you
He's
can.
eating some chips
Yep.
too. So.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
This is a horrible.
And we'll
light
see you guys.
on
I know,
this.
yeah, it is
Oh my
it's not very
gosh,
good.
yeah.
It's a little harsh. Yeah.
Okay, all right,
All right,
you
you
guys.
guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.